Here's how to download and install DaVinci Resolve on Windows 11. Super quick and easy. Open your browser and search for DaVinci Resolve. Go to the official Blackmagic Design website. Click on DaVinci Resolve, free download now. Select Windows x86. Fill out the form to register for a free download, then click on Register and Download. Your download will start automatically. Click Save. Depending on your internet speed, the download can take a few minutes or longer. Once the file is downloaded, open your Downloads folder. Right-click on the DaVinci Resolve zip file and choose Extract All. Leave the default folder selected and click Next. Extraction may take a little while depending on your computer speed. After it's done, delete the zip file to free up disk space. You won't need it anymore. Double-click the DaVinci Resolve setup file to start the installation. Click Install, then click Next. Accept the license agreement and leave the default folder location. Click Install again to begin. When the installation finishes, click Finish and then OK on the confirmation window. Now double-click the DaVinci Resolve desktop icon to open the program. Click Continue on the What's New screen. Select Quick Setup. Click Continue through the system check. Choose Ultra HD and keep the default media and keyboard settings. Then click Start. It might take a little longer to open the first time. And that's it. DaVinci Resolve is now installed. Subscribe for my next video on setup and best performance settings.